Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Nanda's cookbook. Today's recipe is ginger garlic soup. As the monsoon season is on, we are prone to many infections and diseases. A cup of hot soup protects our body from it. So let's start with the recipe. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. To that add 8 to 10 finely chopped garlic. Saute it, add half inch of ginger finely chopped. Saute it again. Saute it in medium flame. Now add 1 tablespoon of carrot and 1 tablespoon of beans. This is optional. Saute it in medium flame and cook till the veggies turn slightly soft. Now season it with salt and 1/4 teaspoon of soya sauce. Saute it and add 4 cups of water and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame. After 15 minutes, the veggies, ginger and garlic releases the flavor. Now for thickness, add half cup of cornflour slurry and 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder and boil it for another 2 minutes. Now the ginger garlic soup is almost done. Once it boils well, turn off the flame and serve hot. This soup recipe gives relief from cough and cold. So friends, try out this soup recipe. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe for more interesting recipes.